With each journey we take, we leave behind a piece of ourselves, forever changing the way we see the world. Turkiye, a land that has seen empires rise and fall, but its spirit remains unbroken. Something so captivating that it simply had to be experienced to be believed. Every mile that we traveled, this land kept surprising us with its beauty. Life has a strange way of transforming moments that will leave an incredible mark. It was a journey that exceeded our expectations in every way possible. It was everything we had imagined and more, but our journey didn't end there.